got another piecewise function with 3 pieces. So the first thing I'm going to do is figure out where they're each defined. The first one's defined from -7 inclusive to -1 not inclusive. It's an open circle. The second piece is this blue line. That starts at -1 included and goes up to 4 not included. And then the third piece is, again, this aquamarine greenish blue. I don't know what color that is. And that goes from 4 until 8, and you can include both of those. So the very first thing I want to do here is write out my f of x and write out where it's defined. So we are going to have f of x is equal to 3 individual pieces. The first one is going to be 4 some interval, the second one is going to be 4 some interval, and the third one is going to be 4 some interval. The first one is from -7 to -1. -7 to -1, not including the -1. The second piece is from -1 to 4. No problem. That's from -1 less than or equal to x less than 4. And the third piece is from 4 to 8. So when x is between 4 and 8, we'll be on that third piece. Now I just got to find the equations for them. Well, this first piece is a semicircle. And remember, the equation for a semicircle is usually the radius squared minus x squared. And this is what y equals. Okay? That will always be a semicircle. So all we're going to do is find the radius. The radius here, here's the center. The radius is 1, 2, 3. So this should be the square root of 9 minus x squared. The problem is, this would be a semicircle centered at the origin, and this is not centered at the origin. This is centered at -4, which means I need to shift my semicircle back 4. And to do that, it's going to be 9 minus, to shift the graph backwards 4, you add 4 to the x value. So this is the equation of that semicircle. So it's y minus the square root of 9 minus the quantity x plus 4 squared. So let's write that in here. It is the square root of 9 minus x plus 4 squared. There you go. The next piece is a line. So this isn't too bad. It's got a y-intercept. So get out of here. It's got a y-intercept of -6. So it's y equals something x minus 6. And the slope looks like it's over 2 up 1, over 2 up 1. That's a slope of 1/2. So 1/2 x minus 6. That's our second piece. It's 1/2 x minus 6 on this interval. And the last piece is easy. It's just a horizontal line. That's y equals 3. So our last piece is just this piecewise function will equal 3 if x is between 4 and 8. And that's it.